Good morning. This is the departure morning. We're gonna go get the rental car this morning. I got all kinds of stuff packed up for the trip. Bella's out taking care of things this morning. She'll be ready in a minute. We'll be out of here soon. On to Flagstaff to get the rental car. We're out of here. Bella, you ready to go? Come on, girl. Bella, come on, let's go. Maybe Bella don't want to go on the trip. Come on, girl. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Bella's ready in the car. Gonna lock the old bounder up. We'll be gone for a while. Everybody's waiting on me. You ready? You ready? Let's go. We left plenty early. We wanted to stop here this morning and get breakfast at the place. That'll be really good and get fueled up, get myself fueled up for the big trip today. So we're gonna go in and get a table here. Okay, we have food coming. I got my good old favorite, couple of eggs easy over, sausage patties, home fries, white toast. This is just one of my all-time favorites. Hey, you can't record me recording.
I know.
And look, but then I say, oh, I should have got that eggs Benedict. Look at them home fries. Look at the size of Ed's biscuit. And that's quite a biscuit you have there. Country fried steak over there. I think Sue's got about the same. More eggs Benedict with ham. Colleen, that doesn't look like breakfast. Oh, it is. You got a sausage egg sandwich with ham. Oh, yummy. Anyway, I'm starving. Yum. I'm stuffed. I ate every bite of my breakfast. Finished my orange juice, and I'm like, I'm stuffed. We're gonna run into a Rhyolite auto parts store here and get a couple of supplies I'll need for when I get up to Panda. Probably a jug of oil, oil treatment. Might get the good old thick, really thick like molasses, the STP oil treatment to thicken it up a little bit. And I gotta pick up a deep cycle house battery. And I think we'll be ready to go get the go unload, put everything in the rental car, and I'm gonna get on my way. So we get to Avis. The car I was supposed to get just got returned 10 minutes ago. They haven't had a chance to go through it and, you know, even check the oil or anything. They probably run through a procedure before they let it go again. So they switched me over to a different car and stuck me with this Dodge Challenger RT. I think it says it has like a Hemi engine in it or something. I don't know, you know. A free upgrade. We're about 5 hours in, about 70 miles north of Las Vegas, Nevada. We needed a break. Stopped and got Bella's bowl out, got her a nice drink of water. She sat, we went up there and walked around, hiked around just a little, 5 minutes or so. Stretched my legs. We're getting ready to go stop for gas again and go some more. Somewhere over there towards the sun is Death Valley National Park. We're not going to Death Valley today. We're on a mission, but that's kind of the area we're in. And I don't know if we're going to make it to our, what we was aiming for or not. It's still about 4 hours away. Little motel in a little town. Real rustic western setting. Kind of what I was maybe going to aim for today. I'm going to see what happens. Be nice to make it there today. Yeah, we better stop for gas up here. I've been here before. It's just a little place out here in the middle of nowhere. Oh, there's an Area 51 billboard. Gas isn't only $2.59. Oh, $2.79 for gas. There's a little RV park up here on the left. A little rest area. But yeah, what is that? Oops, rumble strips. There's Death Valley National Park's only up here. You turn left and just go a little ways. And then Beatty, Nevada, is in Rhyolite, Nevada, is up ahead. But it's quite a ways yet, so we're down to a quarter tank. I need to get some. We need to stop and get some gas, girl. Then we'll go on for a little while, okay? Oh, this gas station. Oops, sorry about the camera. This gas station is the Area 51 Alien Center. There's something I gotta show you over here, but the the Alien Research Center. I've already got gas. I need to get coffee. We're gonna go a couple more hours, but this never mind. Get a little giggle out of it. There's a sign over here. There's a sign over here that says girls. And the bar's open. Massage PA. Must be massage parlor, yes. Red light. Uh-oh. Red light dancers. Look, okay, look. Alien cat house brothel. Free tours, hot girls, and cold beer 24/7. I should go and have a peek, huh? Get a free tour. No, let's get out. I'm gonna get my coffee and be on my way. Oh, I guess Bella's driving now. Or are you gonna take over and drive for a while? That'd be nice. Hang on, I'm gonna go get my coffee and I'll be right back, okay? Okay. Silly girl. I think she really likes this car. I just realized something, you know, in like old westerns, the brothels, you know, the girls would be like upstairs, the second floor, hanging out the windows and doors. Well, look, there's some little aliens up in them windows. Like the other sign said, alien something brothel. Kind of funny stuff. We still got a long ways to go today, and the sun is getting low. I thought I was kind of ready to go last night. I was for the most part, but there was more to do this morning than I thought. I was up about 5 a.m. Oops, forgot my seatbelt. You know, packed and got ready, and when did we leave? About 8 o'clock, 8:30. I don't even know. 9 o'clock. So I've been up early. The sun is getting low. I can get another. Our destination is like 400 miles away. I don't know if I have another 400 miles in me. I'll make another 100 or 200 maybe, and probably see some sunset, and probably this first small town I come across will maybe grab a hotel for the night. I'll have to see what's ahead and see what's pet friendly. So, all right, we got to put our evening together here pretty soon, but we're gonna get going for a little while yet. Looks like I'll be driving after dark for a while. Gosh, it gets dark so early this time of year. we got a long ways to go yet today, and headlights are on already. Yeah, I didn't think to get a dash cam situated for this. I did bring one little device. Maybe in the morning I'll try to situate a better dash cam for tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Okay, we've made it to Beatty. No, it's actually Beatty.
Head northeast on Watson Street, then make a U-turn.
Beatty, Nevada. Excuse me, I am getting tired. Two things I want to mention real quick, because I always forget to do this. I want to put this in this video. No, the one thing I always forget. I want to mention 1, 2, 3, actually 3 channels. First off, I know a lot of you know Aja, and some have come over from her channel, but not everybody. And if you don't already know Aja's channel, it's Pandemonium. And then Ed and Sue are also very good friends that took me to Flagstaff to get the car this morning. Ed and Sue's channel is, they have a little dog called Bandit, and it's called Bandit the Nomad Pug. Well, let me go ahead and mention, of course, they weren't in this video, but, and a lot of you already know Terry and Scott. You know, they're all some of my closest friends. There are a couple others, but and Terry and Scott, I don't know, I just wanted to mention them. Hi, Terry and Scott. What is their channel? Destination Open Road. So, when I come out here and I get on the road and come out this part of the country, I've been hanging out with these folks. They're some of my very closest friends. And 3 years, 4 years. So we're going to be friends for a while. And anyway, I encourage you to check out their channels if you haven't already. They're all just great people. And that's that. Okay, the other thing I wanted to mention here is, yes, I've been to Beatty, Nevada before, way up here in the middle of nowhere, and it has a ton of mining history. And I didn't check out so much Beatty, but the neighboring town, which is just a couple miles from here towards Death Valley, it's called Rhyolite, Nevada. And it's really abandoned and building remains, and it's a really, really cool place. Oh, and they have the outdoor museum with some crazy sculptures and stuff. On this channel, if you search for Rhyolite, Nevada, you'll find that video. And it's pretty interesting. I really enjoy doing that kind of stuff. It's one of my favorite videos. Doesn't mean it was the favorite in YouTube that got tons of views, but it was one of my favorites to do. I really love that kind of stuff. So maybe I'll remember to post it at the end of this video. If not, find the search bar on my channel and search for Rhyolite, Nevada. We need to move on for a little while yet. Right, Bella? Right? So let's move on a little more. And I have no idea where we're staying tonight. There's no way we're going to make it 400 more miles today. Might have to just pull over and sleep in the car.
US 95 North Main Street.
We might just have to see if I can put this seat back and get out a blanket. Oh, and maybe sleep in the car tonight. I don't know yet. I guess before we leave town, there was a little campground just up the road here that I stayed at, and there's a little diners, the Roadhouse 95, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And over here is supposed to be like a really great little bar that's bar and grill that is like a little steakhouse, the Sourdough Saloon. I looked at their thing online, and man, it was like their menu looked. I think it's a hot spot. But we shall go.
Continue on US 90.
This is also one of those towns that the burros come in and wander around town. Bella would get a kick out of that. But they've probably gone up into the hills for the night. It's actually darker than what this camera is showing. One of those auto-adjusting cameras. Stagecoach, hotel, and casino. Wonder if they have RV parking. It doesn't matter. I don't have my RV with me today. That'd been nice to rent, just a tiny RV and be able to drop it off up here. All right, let's go. This isn't looking good. We've made it to Goldfield, Nevada. There's only one bar and hotel in town. There's 8 rooms and she's booked. So, gosh, and I searched on my phone for hotels in Tonopah. Oh, because that's what the girl said. I said, is there anybody else? I'm traveling north out of Goldfield. Any place to the north, hotel. And she says, yeah, look for the station house in Tonopah. Well, my phone says I'm offline. So it's dark and I need directions. I gotta get out my other phone and it's late, and anyway, we'll get something found, okay? We'll get something found. We're traveled almost 500 miles today. So that's not too bad for not leaving until lunch. And Goldenfield looks like an excellent place to check out and explore, but it's dark and we're not staying. The one thing here is there's an old fire truck across the street. Broken down, and some cool old looking buildings, but we'll see. Another time, another town, maybe tomorrow. We'll see, but we'll see what's in Tonopah. But all right, I gotta find directions and get going. We're gonna call it a night here, and finish up later. Thanks for coming along today. It's been a long one, but we'll be back tomorrow, I guess. Like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video.